Problem number 6. The acceleration due to gravity on Mars is negative 3.7 meters per second squared. If an ice cream cone is dropped from a cliff and hits the surface of Mars 5 seconds later, how far did the cone fall and what was its velocity at the time of impact? So, what do we know? We know the acceleration function, a of t, is negative 3.7. If we integrate that to get our velocity function, we will get velocity equals negative 3.7 plus v naught, our initial velocity, but since it's being dropped, its initial velocity is 0, so I'm going to leave that right there. Negative 3.7 t plus 0, so just negative 3.7 t. Integrate that to get your height function, h of t. That will give you t squared, and then we'll have negative 3.7 divided by 2, which will give you negative 1.85 t squared plus our c value, which for a height function, our c value is our y-intercept, which is our initial height, h naught. So we have these two functions right there. And what do we know? We know a couple pieces we can plug in. We know that it hits the surface of the moon 5 seconds later. So let's plug into our height function. We know that the height is 0 when the time is 5 seconds. So 0 equals negative 1.85 times 5 squared plus h naught, and we can solve for h naught. So you should find that the starting height was 46.25 meters. And we want to know the velocity as well. So to find the velocity, just plug in the time of 5 into your velocity function. So just negative 3.7 times 5 to find that your velocity was negative 18.5 meters per second.